man.
Right. Big man. Yeah, because that one's bloody.
Right, come, swing. What? Come on, in.
Oh yeah.
I'm marking off the barrier.
Let's go! Come on, guys, let's go! Daryl, come on! Go! Matt, wait up! Yep! Enjoy! I want that building. Right, guys. It's an underground bunker here, we can use this cover if need be. Finn, I'm going into the main building. I'm going in. Okay, come with me. There's someone. I don't know if he's on whose team he's on. Oh, he's on our team, come on. We've got one. Have we got control in there?
Yeah, I saw red dot. Saw red go in. I'm not sure.
Whose team? Red.
Just the other side there. Watch your back. Watch your windows. There's reds across there. They're literally in the trees.
Right, this is our now house.
Who's in the end?
No one.
Huh?
Blues are attacking from that way, there's no one in there anymore. I'm the last one defending it. My gearbox is gone, I've only got one grenade in here and that's it.
Somebody step up then.
Go.
Callum? Right?
Shit, watch out behind you.
Don't know.
Alright. The back room's clear apparently.
Right, I'm through. It looks clear. Right, guys. Right, come on in. Right, we'll go back to the observatory then. Right, there's somebody out there.
They've been moving forward tree by tree.
Outside the conservatory.
No.
No.
Guys, keep an eye back there. Yeah, they're coming up, they're coming to the conservatory.
I can't see where they are. They're on the other side, they're going to there.
Not a big one.
Yo!
I need some help in there. They're coming in. Hit! Out! Hit! Fuck. They're just stepping me. Christ. I was here.
Oh, he was.
We've got that held. I was defending this. They went into the conservatory. I tried to take a few of them out. One of them just threw a grenade in, blew me up. That thing was loud, I might add. I don't know if they got that or not. I don't know, but we can go there.
We've only got 3. We got 1, 2 and 3. We need the house conservatory.
Smoke's out. We've got cover. Smoke's out. We've got some cover. Go, 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 go.
Spin it round. Oh, yeah, oh.
Hip, hip, hip.
No, that's across the road.
Come on, mate, keep flipping out.
Is it rental? No. Is this your gun?
Game over.
What?
Game over.
He held the open quite well. Fuck me, did we? I only got out because I've run out of ammo. I was like, I heard you screaming at her.
Yeah.
I think I got 2 or 3 maybe that round. So many
I'm still waiting to see Catherine run in front of me so I can pop her a few times.